Hey, welcome to the 3 times forecast of the zodiac. Hi, you see my stretch marks and tattoos, looking lovely, looking sexy as they want to be. All right. Whew. Yes. Oh, baby, all I know that I was in a sexy blazer and a thong. Whew. Oh, girl, what color did you have on? Oh, I think it was the ones that turned you on. Oh, lights, camera, action, recorded. Oh, baby, yeah, we was getting it on, yeah. We was getting it on, yeah. Oh, gang signs. What it do, baby? What it do, baby? Y'all know we gotta get some of that sexy Pepsi. Starface. Guns on me. Into pound. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Come on, get up, move your body. 28, boss number. Shut up, Heather.
Score 21. High score 100.
Heather.
Score 3. High score 100. Stop it.
bitch.
I remember my first time playing Bobby. Score 13-3.
Bobby, fuck you.
Bobby, the start.
Hell no, Bobby. I ain't playing with you. Whew.
I'm going to sleep.
Bye. Night, night, nigga. Whew. Wasn't that great? See, it feels good to just work your body. 1, 2, 3. Hold it. Two, 3. This hip though. All right. Right? Breathe. Okay? Breathe. Okay. And it's in. Whew. Okay. All right, gang signs. Okay. That was real nice. That was real nice. Okay. Okay. Whew. All right, you ready? Let's get into these readings. I know you gonna like this. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. 1. There we go. 2. Okay, 2. Ta-da! Boobs looking frisky. The nigga, yeah, I know I got that cat, but you can frisk me. Who bitch, I heard your cat smelling a little frisky. We ain't got no time for that sneaky shit. No time for them sneaky bitches. Oh, God. You silly. I know, y'all. I'm taking forever to start. Shit. That was that workout. Shit, got a bitch, like, imposed. You know? Okay. Put that right there. Dun, 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 dun. Gang signs. Make sure you rep your gang and rep your sign, cuz, at all given times, cuz. Okay? So what sign do we have? Spirit guys, pimp, wishing, third eye, or juice the man. Are you serious? Okay, let's do it. We have Taurus. Ding! All right, Earth sign, December 2020. We got Taurus gang in the building. Okay. All right, Taurus. So, what I'm gonna need for y'all to do is go ahead and say your prayer for your tarot card reading, as well as your oracle reading. Okay. I got this oracle deck. Let me see. Oh. Anyhow, I got this oracle deck. I'm all disorganized, y'all. Y'all gonna have to bear with me in this video. Okay, let me just. Think that I'm just really fine. What is hitting for? Press that record. And baby, sorry, I got allergies and it's cold. And oh well, I know. Ugh, bitch. I'm just gonna have to watch the next fucking tarot card reading video for Taurus. Another given time, cause that bitch no, she didn't. Gay boys be the cattiest, don't they? Gay boys is like 10,000 times worse than. Ha! Then I dunk on them. I still got it. No, I'm just playing. Y'all know I missed. Don't you hate when a motherfucker try to play some shit out? Knowing damn well just because you can't see it, but nigga, I know you didn't make that shit. Okay, I didn't this time. You're right. You know if a motherfucker made it. Oh, bitch, I swear to God, I wish the camera was just, I swear to God, the camera was just a little bit. Girl, I made that. You see that shit? If the camera, man. Oh, my mama, bitch. If the camera was just a little, you would have seen that shit. Like, it gets severe for real. I don't know if y'all watched my little video live. Quickest of the quick weaves I did. Every time I do my quick weaves, sometimes I do a YouTube video, a live or whatever. See how quick I did my quick weave. Because I feel like I'm the quickest of the quick weaves. But this one took a little bit longer than typical that I do. Usually I do like 13 minutes to 20 minutes. Don't you tangle up. No tangle. Fuck that. I must have got some. Yeah. Ooh, excuse me, bitch. Oh, I gotta watch this come out. This shit got. Or is it? I think I got a little bit of glue. Yeah. But anyhow. Yeah. Hey, Auntie Dada. Yeah. Okay, this is not about my hair. I always get to doing something else other than what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm supposed to be stroking. No, I'm just like, I'm just joking. Just joking. But yeah, y'all want to go ahead and check that video out. It's on my page. It's on my page. Don't trip. But yeah. So my hair done dried up now. Now it can style. So this is how it turned out. But anyhow, okay, enough about that. Sexy Pepsi. It's my name. Okay. So we're doing Taurus gang has been the chosen one for this video, December 2020. So, how is Taurus's life going as of now? I sure was about to say, get away from my door. It is certain. Yeah, say it is certain. Okay, so Taurus, it seems like your life is going gravy. I know that's right. That's what the Magic 8-Ball say for December 2020. Okay, so Taurus, go ahead and say your prayer for your oracle and your tarot card reading. We might do a crystal card. It depends on how I'm feeling. Okay, so then I got this new tarot oracle deck. It's called Precious Gems. I like it. So y'all probably heard of it. Y'all probably haven't. And today we're gonna be doing your tarot card reading with the Guide to the Everyday Witch Tarot. So by Deborah Blake. And that's funny. She got the globe, kind of like the 8-ball here. Okay, so maybe somebody's fortune is changing, Taurus. I'm hearing fortune. Okay. So there's 3 kind of oracle spreads. Taurus, with you, since this is a new oracle deck, we're just gonna start off with the basic, the solitaire, a daily card. So 1 card until I get to learning how to do this deck. Okay. Spirit guides, pink wish and third eye, Lord Jesus, the man of God. Please bless this reading for Taurus gang. Please bless this oracle for Taurus gang. Let us all connect. No. I'm fucked up now, partner. Can't. About to roll this weed up, yeah, been smoking. So learning, yellow, Jasper, 39. Learning. Okay, so that's your oracle card, that's your daily card, your solitaire. Let's see. Ooh, and it went right to it. That shit crazy. So maybe you're learning how to be consistent with something. You're learning something so that you're quick in it. You get things done in a timely fashion when it comes to what you've been learning. Get them. Had to write a track all about riding good dick, yeah. You know I come with pride. You see the pennies on leaning to the side. And let me put my hands up, ayy, ayy. Yeah. Connect with Taurus gang, that fellow earth sign for December 2020. Spirit guys, Pinkeration, Bird, I Love Jesus, and all God, please bless us all. Connect with that beautiful Taurus. Taurus gang! Taurus gang. I hear selfishness or stubbornness. That's you, Taurus. Somebody's being stubborn. Someone likes getting their way. I feel like it's more than just one person around that likes getting their way. Some headstrong folks here around, Taurus. Possibly others like yourself. Connect with Taurus for December 2020. Yeah, spirit guys. Inspiration, God, I love Jesus. Discern. Okay, Taurus, you could be dealing with a Leo. Also, I'm seeing success, positivity, vacation time with children. You could be on vacation. You could be spending time with your children, your loved ones. But I see a successful trip. You also could be vacationing somewhere hot or warm with the sun. Could be having a daily outing, soaking up the sun. What we got here? Page of Cups. Okay, so I'm seeing apology to children. Your children could be apologizing to you, or you could be apologizing to your children, or making up for lost time. I'm seeing a young love offering or message. Kitchen, yeah. Justice in reverse. So something was unfair. So you possibly could have done something. Your children could have been unfair, or someone that you're on vacation with possibly could have been unfair or unbalanced, and someone is apologizing. Yeah, you got Queen of Swords. Someone could be acting like a child. There could be a water sign involved. Scorpio, Pisces, Cancer. Ooh. Yeah, Queen of Swords. So someone who's very smart, intelligent. Someone who speaks the truth. Virgo energy. Also Libra, Aquarius. Gemini. Yeah, so there could have been a divorce here. King of Cups in reverse. Yeah. So Taurus, I feel like you're dealing with somebody who doesn't have emotion. Someone who has compressed emotions. They hide their emotions. Or they don't have them at all. Or they abuse the power of emotion. They abuse your emotions. They're very abusive to emotions. This seems like a person who possibly could have woman abuse issues. And it's unfair. Or somebody could have been someone could have hurt your feelings, abused your feelings. Someone was very harsh with words, but I feel like it was the truth. This person's very intelligent, quick-witted. Six of Cups in reverse, yeah. So I see children are getting older, or someone's growing out of a childlike state. You're moving on from the past. I feel like you should have left this person in the past. Or emotions from the past could be triggered right now by the truth coming out, by someone stating the truth. Nine of Cups in reverse, yeah. Someone wants to move on from the past because someone's not getting their way. Like I said, Nine of Cups in reverse. Someone's not getting their way. You feel like whoever you're with or whoever this person is with or whoever you're with is not getting you're not getting your wish fulfillment. Pretty much could be with children. I'm seeing a vacation, time with children. I see an apology here. Someone's feelings was hurt. Someone's trying to make like a young love offering. King of Pentacles in reverse. So there's definitely a breakup here, or an absent father, a perverted father. Or someone with a gambling problem. I'm seeing a single parent here with children. Ace of Wands in reverse. Yeah, something didn't work. What's that, Justice? Yeah, something's unbalanced. Something didn't work in someone's favor. Someone didn't have passion for something. It's a no. Something's not fair. I feel like a male or female partner wasn't committed. There's no fire burning, no energy. Something didn't work out. It was a false start. Three of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, yeah. So, someone was speaking the truth, Taurus, about how you guys can work together, how you guys can build. Someone's trying to come to a common ground here. Someone's very immature. Someone's very mature. Someone gets things in order. Woo. Yeah, Six of Wands in reverse. And what's that? Nine of Cups, yep. Someone is wanting attention. I feel like you're not getting rewarded for your achievements, or you're being under rewarded for your achievements, and your wish fulfillment Your wishes aren't coming true. You're not happy. Things aren't going as you planned it to go. You're used to you getting all the attention, you having a great time, but it's not going like that. I feel like there's something that's unbalanced, something that needs to be brought to justice about children. Sometime you may be spending time with children and there's something that you need to fix that you probably have been overlooking and apologizing for. I see possibly a mother here trying to bring some type of structure to this visitation or this vacation. What is this? The Chariot. Yeah, Page of Cups. So you could be dealing with a Cancer here. There could be a child Cancer that's involved. Someone's wanting some type of time with children, with their children. I see someone trying to apologize for their childhood, or apologize to a child, or a child is apologizing so that you guys can move forward. Someone found the willpower, the drive. Also, someone could be apologizing about a vehicle. Yeah, but I see apology coming towards you real fast. Or someone's coming towards you real fast. Sag or Cancer. Alright, so yeah. Okay. What's this? King of Swords. And what's that? Six of Cups in reverse. Yeah. It's time to move forward from the past. You're no longer stuck. You gotta. Someone's was stuck in their childhood, and someone's trying to help someone move forward or get out of bad habits. Is what I'm seeing. It's time to make new memories. I see also children is growing up, or someone is finally growing up. Yeah, there's some clarity being brought. Some stability here. Some owning up to a situation. Yeah, this is the Nine of Cups. So what's this? Oh, King of Cups. Oh, yeah, okay, so this King of Cups. Yeah, it has no emotions. This King of Cups has no emotions, abuses your emotions, I'm seeing, and doesn't want to give you any rewards. Doesn't feel like you deserve anything, or you shouldn't give this person anything. This person has not achieved anything at all. This person's a failure. Okay, we're done with the Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Yeah, but this person doesn't give two shits about how you feel. This person's a beautiful narcissist. This person doesn't want you to get any attention as well. Taurus. So, Seven of Cups in reverse. Yeah, King of Pentacles in reverse. You could be dealing with the Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person, yeah. I hear a shit talker, a person who gambles a lot. Protect your home. This person may gamble the house, or this person may be gambling the rent money. Or this person is very perverted as well. I'm hearing, Taurus. Possibly around children. So you better watch this person. I'm just saying. Yeah, 7 of Cups. This person wears many different masks, but ain't none of them good. This person has no priorities, no responsibilities, but yet wants happiness, but yet somehow brings you happiness. Like I said, this could be a Leo, Pisces, Taurus, Capricorn, Virgo, Cancer, Scorpio, 6 of Pentacles. Yeah, someone was trying to apologize or offer you a childlike love, or a child could be apologizing. I see a new car, or someone could be arriving in a new car. Something about a car. Someone could be apologizing to the police. Someone could be driving someone around for charity. Driving around looking. Yeah. Something wasn't working. Something was very unfair. Something's very unbalanced. Could be dealing with the could have been dealing with the Libra, but most definitely this was a no. There was no passion. There was nothing but hatred, nothing but arguing, fighting, things not coming into play, things not working out. Okay, no fire, no spark in the situation, no commitment. So then you got the 3 of Wands in reverse here. Simplifying your goals. I feel like you knew that this relationship was not going somewhere with this Libra, and that's why it wasn't no expansion and growth. Got Libra energy again with the Queen of Swords, but also Virgo energy as well, or a widowed woman, but still been through a lot of shit, but still come out on top. One that's very intelligent, that can speak her truth. So I feel like there's somebody here who's trying to give order, some type of structure on how to build, working with this team. This could be her children, your children. You're trying to team build with your children. I feel like someone is very well mature, above their age, someone who does know how to speak the truth, someone who's very like law, quick-witted, demanding, stern, stands her ground, puts herself first. I feel like someone admires. You may be coming off with this energy, or someone around you comes off with this energy, and you all admire this person's work. The world. You feel like this person brings light to the world. You feel like all 3 of you guys, with this 3 of Pentacles here, I feel like it's nothing but earth signs here. You and your children could be earth signs. But I feel like you feel like if you guys work together, you guys can conquer all. You feel like teamwork is the best way to basically conquer the world. You feel like what you guys have to bring to this world brings a lot of light and enlightenment to this world. And you're ready to close a chapter. You're ready to move on. You're ready to continue to build your empire. Let's see. So this King of Cups in reverse, this old jealous, slippery, slithery slime, cheating ass, no emotions, compressed emotions ass motherfucker, narcissist. Six of Wands, oh, he ain't getting no attention. I feel like this person possibly could be forcing your attention, wanting your attention, like sending you messages and, constantly bothering you. Yeah, begging for attention. And look, Knight of Wands, in and out energy. That fire, that passion. So whenever this person decides that let me get this. Oh, baby, when it concerns, I want to give it to you. Woo! Yes, sir. Oh, my mouth is getting dry. Here's something. So anyhow, I feel like, this person has an in and out energy. I feel like this person slips and dips, meaning if you're not giving them no attention, they go get it from someone else. They definitely cheating. Them ain't brand new. It's probably where they all sticky. I'm gonna slap their ass. Yeah, also this person thrives off passion. Ten of Wands. So putting things on the back burner. King of Swords. Six of Cups. Yeah, so I feel like it's time to move forward. There's a lot of build up. King of Swords. Someone's coming with a clear mind. They're thinking head over heart. Having some type of power. I feel like you'll have more power if you will move on from the past and make new memories and clean up these burdens. I feel like there's a lot of things that meant a lot to you that you can do, or things that you wanted to do that you let pile up.